This will be the hairstyle we'll be attempting today. We're going to try it out. I'm unbeatable at this point. Like, no hairstyle is beyond my artistic fingers. This is my Mega Growth leave-in conditioner mixed with water, and I am going to use this Curl Lala. It's a leave-in conditioner to me at this point. I first of all start by getting my hair wet, then I put the cream on the hair just to soften it a bit. Then to map out how I want the heart to be, I part out a square and I detangle it really good till there are no knots. I divide that in half and I make tiny triangle shapes in the middle, and I curve the edges to form a heart shape. I split the heart into two and tie up one side. Then for one half heart, I draw a diagonal line from the curve to the middle of the half heart, and I start weaving. I do the same for the other side, and I just position my head like I'm braiding another person's head. I don't know how to explain it, that's just how I position my head. And I was so excited because I got the perfect heart on my first try. After braiding the ends of the hearts together, I weave it into a cornrow and I make another cornrow. I end the cornrows with twists so as to add less tension to my hair, and the bottom of my hair, like my kitchen area, has twists as well. When it comes to doing straight cornrows, I always start from the middle of my head and I work my way to the sides. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'm just going to do 2 cornrows and we'll start crisscrossing. She did 4 crisscrosses, then she now braided it in 1, but I'm going to do 4 crisscrosses and braid it in 2 because I feel like my head is bigger than hers. So I'll do 4 crisscrosses and braid it in 2. I don't feel comfortable using rubber bands, so instead of rubber bands I just braided it. The first braid I couldn't crisscross it because it's too tiny, so I decided to add it to my next corner. You know how they do all them random braids, like it looks like it builds over your corners? That's what I'm going to do. Like if I copy exactly her style, it won't be like unique, so let me add my own little sprinkle to it. I detangle a part, then I braid it down, then I lose some parts of the ones I'm going to crisscross, and then I just add it to the one I detangled. I complete the same step till the crisscrosses are finished. So I'm going to add the last connection and then weave it into the cornrow. This is where I add that single one we left out. I just cornrow down a few inches and then I just add it to the corner. Time to do the snake part. Oof, the snake part now. When I was a child, I hated snakes and ladders. That was the worst hairstyle I ever saw on anyone's head. But look at me now, I'm doing it. I never did it when I was a child. I never wanted to do it. I still don't want to do it, but the question is not will I do it, the question is can I do it? The answer is yes, obviously. She did one big cornrow at the last one because she's doing like stitch braids, but I'm not doing stitch braids, neither am I using gel, so I'll just do 2 and then this part will be the snake. I'll start by patting out the cornrow section with the snake section, and then I'll detangle the snake area. Then I map out how the snake is going to be. I draw a line, and this small part is to show me where the snake is curving, and then I continue. You don't have to do that small part, it's just so I'll know how the snake, curves. And then you can just draw like normal horizontal lines all down throughout the parts. This is how I'm looking. No, not too close now, not too close. This is definitely not a beginner hairstyle. Like, if you're a beginner and you're looking for what to do, this is not a beginner hairstyle. Neither is it a quick hairstyle, neither is it an easy hairstyle, my dear. So, I've started, I might as well just finish. We are done with this side. This side was so tedious. I wish I did these sides first. My hand is paining me now. Please, let's just finish this one. I'm tired. I want to eat Indomie. I'm so tired. So I'm going to use oil just to seal in the moisture on my hair. For the back, I just tied this. I tied the scarf so my hair can be fully conditioned by all the products that I put on my hair, and I'll just go and have my bath, fix myself up so y'all can see the finished result. So this is the finished look of the hairstyle. I would say I really did try, and it looks good, it looks great, it's nice, it's very creative, and I like it.